But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Milejon and karibu sana. And if you are new here, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, that red button, and support your girl. So guys, today's video, it's 8 at night. So guys, today's video, I'm here with my hubby and he's trying to teach me how to prepare a simple guacamole. So guys, I want to share this with you if you don't know how to prepare that, because for me, I don't know it. So yeah, I'm going to take you along guys as we prepare this guacamole for dinner. So let's get to it. Guys, I'm going to prepare some onions and tomatoes. Yeah, and avocado. So it's here. So yeah, avocado. Yes, we are going to prepare avocado. Yeah. Say guacamole. Guacamole. Say guacamole. Mama, say guacamole. Avocado. Mama, avocado. So guys, that we have our ingredients and my hubby has just started cutting on the onions. And meet my hubby, by the way.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
And then guys, for this guacamole, for me I will add some chili. And for the other parts of the family who don't like chili, I'm going to just take mine with chili because I love chili, so it goes well with this, I'm sure.
Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.
So guys, we are adding some salt. Our guacamole. And by the way guys, you can always add your guacamole with lime or lemon or some tania or coriander. You can always, we don't have that for now, but you can always add for to enhance some taste. Yeah, so I think it's almost ready. Look at this. So guys, I'm serving my guacamole with spaghetti, a mixture of spaghetti and meat, as you can see. Yeah, but you can always serve with anything you are comfortable with. Guys, we are done preparing a simple recipe of guacamole. Share with on the comment below how you prepare yours. Yeah, would love to know guys. So it was just a short video, no nothing else. We are just preparing guacamole for me for the first time. So yeah, so yeah guys, I see you on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So until my next video, bye bye.